fish looks incredibly fresh.
Is this the catch from this morning?
Yes, straight from the nets. The best in the market today. I'll take this loaf, please. Thank you very much.
Here you are.
This is so good. How much for the shrimp? They look delicious. 20 coins for this basket, fresh this morning.